Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie drink. Start with the base of this delightful drink. Combine 1 gallon of apple cider and 1 gallon of apple juice in a large pot. Next, add 2 cups of granulated sugar, 8 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. This blend creates a rich, aromatic foundation for your homemade apple pie drink, perfect for any gathering. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. After it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 1 hour. Remember to stir it occasionally to ensure the sugar completely dissolves and the spices infuse thoroughly. This slow simmering process is key to developing the deep, comforting flavors of apple pie. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. This cooling step is crucial. If you're making an adult version, now is the time to stir in 1 1/2 cups of grain alcohol. Adding the alcohol when the liquid is cool prevents it from evaporating, ensuring a potent and flavorful drink. This transforms it into a wonderful, warming treat. Once cooled, strain the drink to remove the cinnamon sticks and any loose spices, ensuring a smooth texture. Then, carefully pour your homemade apple pie drink into clean, airtight bottles. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, allowing you to enjoy it over time. Serve it warm for a cozy feel or chilled for a refreshing twist, perhaps with a fresh cinnamon stick garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.